Heavy rain today lashed out several parts of Mumbai and Maharashtra, because of which people have to face great difficulties while leaving for work or returning from work. Well, now the IMD has declared a red alert for the city as well as its surrounding regions, stating that people need to be cautious with planning their movements. Well, since morning we've seen rain lashing several parts, because of which several important road connectivity could be seen completely waterlogged, including that of Gandhi Market, Sion, as well as King Circle in several parts in Andheri, as well as even BKC was waterlogged, because of which several questions are now being raised about the preparation work that is being done by the BMC with regards to monsoon. Well, the BMC has stated that there's a proper war room that has been set up by them to ensure that people have a helpline number as well as a dashboard to call upon once and when they are supposed to register a complaint. However, people are now questioning and asking questions about when was the work done and why is it that be it the drainage system work or the road concretization work which has not been completed yet. Well, we saw that in regards with the pre-monsoon preparation work, there were several inspection rounds that were done by the BMC civic authorities as well as the BMC commissioner as well as BJP leader Ashish Shelar, who did inspection work to find out whether the work of road concretization was completed or not. Well, now that we see almost 60% of the work has been completed, whereas the 40% remains pending, which is why the people now are unhappy, along with the problems of potholes. Manholes have become a great difficulty for people to plan their movements during monsoon. However, earlier it was a yellow alert, then turned into orange, and now it is a red alert that has been given because of intense spells of rain that could be seen pouring in Mumbai. Well, not just Mumbai, but also in surrounding regions like Pune, Raigad, Sindhudurg, and the Konkan region. Focusing on that, it has been completely waterlogged, and the major problem here is for the farmers who wait, and for them this May end period is extremely important because they prepare themselves for monsoon. However, because the monsoon this time it came at a preponed time, and it was more than 17 days that the monsoon has arrived early, because of which now the farmers are at risk of losing their crops, and which is why now the state government too is coming in and supporting them and asking them to not worry and instead wait and not panic in such situation. Not only in Pune, but also regions like Solapur, Indrapur, as well as Baramati are now facing great water as well as waterlogging incidents and rainfall, intense spells of rain, because of which Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar too visited Baramati, where he spoke to the farmers, he spoke to the people residing in buildings, and also assured them that when and whenever necessary, all the necessary help will be provided to them, and assuring people that there's no situation to panic and they're supposed to take care of themselves and their loved ones first. Well, talking about this, in Mumbai too, we saw a number of buildings that were constructed are now in a dilapidated condition, because of which they have been asked people residing in the building to vacate their homes as soon as possible so that the building can be brought down. Otherwise, we've seen where buildings collapsing incidents, they usually are on a new high whenever these rain-like incidents they occur, and henceforth there have been all the precautionary measures that are being taken. Well, the BMC is trying to inspect all the locations which are dangerous, which could where waterlogging could be a major problem, and also they are trying to make all the audit reports as ready as possible, because this is just the start. Ahead of it, monsoon is even going to come at a faster pace because of the deep potence that is being developed in the Arabian Sea, which can directly impact Mumbai, especially being a coastal region. And talking about it, all the fishermen who are residing near the coastal region, also they travel by boats, have also been asked to make sure that they do not go much inside of the sea, and to ensure that they and their materials are safe. So at this point, with all the aspects, the Maharashtra government is trying to ensure that the precautionary measures for monsoon are all ready, so that people are okay with their lives, and also they do not face any other difficulty. So major steps are being taken by the Maharashtra government, be it with regards to farmers, for women's safety, for the safety of Mumbaikars, for the safety of travelers who are traveling by the airport, for the safety of these local train travelers who today were greatly impacted because the trains were running out of time, not just by 20-25 minutes, but more than 1.5 hours. So trains running late, these flights that were being diverted or currently they were delayed are also a major problem for travelers who are traveling, say, for vacation purpose or any other purpose. So because of that, an overall impact could be seen coming up on the Mumbaikars as well as the people of Maharashtra, because of which the Maharashtra government is now working towards it, and because it's the start, BMC too is trying to fast pace up its work so that in the coming days it does not stand to answer the questions that are being raised on them, which is a routine one for them. But this time they were of the view that the preparation work that was being done by them is the completely AI based, and also they are assured that this is going to be one of the best monsoon with regards to the preparations, and by the BMC and Mumbaikars too will have an easy one. However, that doesn't seem to happen, and this is very well proven the first day of monsoon itself. Now what remains to be seen, how does Mumbai gear up and how does the BMC ensure that Mumbaikars will not suffer, and at the same time Maharashtra too sees a light rainfall, and even if it does see a heavy rainfall, there are all the preparations being done so that people are not affected by it. With video journalist Sachin Sawant, Ms. Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.